M2M TeleSystems specializes in real-time machine-to-machine telemetry and remote technologies using internet and cellular communication networks. With an extensive expertise in communication machines, M2M TeleSystems offers innovative and global solutions for remote connection, navigation, analysis, and management of your equipment. Our products. WebGate is a web communication gateway that connects short-range communication networks to the Internet. Subgate, a communication substation, relays short-range network information to the WebGate network through a wireless connection. MRF modules are radio frequency communication modules designed specifically to connect subgate substations to a WebGate gateway. Installation framework. The following represents how M2M products are connected within a multi-housing facility. WebGate and Internet connection. WebGate features removable and interchangeable mini telecom modules, which are compatible with the main telecom technologies used in the Internet. Fitted with the mini Ethernet module, your WebGate connects to a router using an Ethernet cable. If bringing an Internet cable to the building housing the WebGate is a problem, then a cellular connection is the solution. Operating with the mini cellular module, your WebGate connects to the Internet without the need to resort to burdensome cables or a costly Wi-Fi network. With each year that passes, the cellular network expands and covers more and more rural areas. Once connected to the Internet, WebGate establishes the link between the FarmQuest server and your farm equipment using the subgate technology. WebGate can be connected directly to your controls via cables or, when more than 0.3 mile away, via subgate substations. MRF modules establish the wireless link. Different types of MRF modules are available depending on the intensity required for the signal. Introduction to FarmQuest. With your controls connected to the Internet, you can use services offered by M2M. FarmQuest service is an M2M application for the intensive livestock industry, such as poultry and hog production. To connect to your controls, simply open an Internet Explorer window on a desktop or laptop connected to the Internet. Go to farmquestconnect.com, enter your login and password, and you are connected to your controls. Control with FarmQuest. The Control View function features realistic depictions of controls and allows you to manipulate your controls in real time. All changes brought to parameters are carried out almost instantaneously. To display your parameters in a possibly more user-friendly way, you may want to use the List View function. The page then lists parameters in a table format. You may even display the parameter list for many controls at once on the same page for comparison and adjustment purposes. Viewing with FarmQuest. The System View menu provides you with an overview of the status of your installations. You can quite realistically depict the inside of your buildings and insert interactive links in order to surf through installations. Creating views is easy and intuitive. You choose a background picture, and then the elements and links to be displayed. You place these in appropriate spots in your background picture and you save your view. It's so simple. Surveillance and monitoring with FarmQuest. The security menu grants you access to your IP surveillance cameras as well as to the alarms and deviations occurring when readings stray from your model curve. Thanks to the system, you can be notified by SMS or email if one of your controls sets off its alarm. For example, the system can compare the daily growth values of your chicken to that of the model curve and warn you when these values differ too much. Also, the system can monitor your water meter and notify you in case of leakage. The system can send an email to your grain supplier when the silo feed level falls below a certain level. Many other uses can be found and tailored to your needs. Analysis with FarmQuest. The Graphs menu can generate graphs and tables from the data collected by your controls. You can create batches and compare your present batch to a previous one or to a model curve. If a problem arises, you can configure FarmQuest to send reports on crucial data such as temperature, humidity, and heating readings for the last few days, water and feed consumption, as well as growth curve for the last few days, and for a variety of other data. Just think of all the time you could save by using your FarmQuest remote connection to resolve your on-site issues. All there is to do is to get and install the M2M hardware and connect your WebGate to the Internet. FarmQuest allows you to better manage your time by giving you remote access to your controls from any place and regardless of where your controls are located in the world.